Well, I just got back from picking these up from a guy that was selling them on eBay. Um, Apparently, his father had passed away recently, and he'd been collecting. The father had been collecting these tapes for quite a while, and I guess he stopped using them probably for the most part many years ago. They were supposed to be in really good shape, so this is kind of an unboxing. I checked the, the first couple. I checked one of the boxes just. I checked one of the cases just briefly while I was there picking it up at his house, and what I saw looked okay. So I guess we'll take a look and see what else is here. I know a few of these are just empties, but it's supposed to be a pretty cool collection. So the first thing I did was get some plastic cleaner and clean these up. They were pretty dusty. Um, let's see here. Oh, sorry about the shaky camera. Looks like we've got some Maxells, a couple Fujis, mostly classical music here. Looks like a lot of Mozart. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that right. No sense getting too uppity about the music. More classical music. Some Maxells here. Let's take a look. A little hard to see there. Let's see. It's recorded. This one was recorded in 1981. London Symphony Orchestra, etc. One of the old classic Maxell's guy. He didn't even tear the paper out. That's nice. A lot of the ones I got a few years ago from someone else, they had just been had most of the paper torn out. So let's see what's going on here. It's a little tight. So we got Brahms and Haydn. A lot of classical music. Wow. Let's see. Just got a lot of stuff written down. Probably won't even have to archive these. It's so nice. It looks like they're all been rewound. He said he didn't listen to them that much, I guess, in the last few years, but maybe that one doesn't have tabs in it, but it doesn't really matter. A lot of these I might keep anyway, if they're that good. Let's take a look at some of these others. Alright, so these, just cleaned these up a little bit. Now the bottom one is empty, but the top one has some stuff in it, so let's take a look and see what's in there. So we've got some Mahler and Ravel, Schubert. Some ones I'm not familiar with. Oops. Apologize for the reflection there. Slight. It's not the greatest. Alright, so Paganini. Recognize that. has all these, but pretty cool. Set them on. Haydn. Vivaldi. 1981. It's also from 83 or 93 rather. 93 in an old box.